Hello everybody. We're going to do a quick tutorial that I've had a lot of requests for. This is going to walk us through just the first step of creating an image in ChatGTP. I have a subscription to ChatGTP that you can also do this without having one, I believe. So I'm going to type in the description here. I'm doing something pretty simple, basically asking for a seascape 16 by 9 sign with an ocean theme. It's going to give us our first image. Okay, this is our first image that it gave us. Albeit a beautiful image, it's not what we want, unless that's what you're looking for. I'm going to ask it for some variations, and I want to make the turtle the focus. So I'm going to ask it to make variations, make turtle the focus. Just checking to put it on high so it does the best quality job. Rendering, I've sped this up quite a bit. This is the next image it gave us. Now I told it to optimize it for a 3D carve, change the text to life is better on the water, make the text lines clean, and raise them. So a lot of these 3D carves, you want to raise the letters off so you get nice square letters when it carves if you're going to paint them. There's the next image it gave us. I said, okay, great. Let's see some more variations and keep the turtle. We want to keep the turtle, but we want a different frame. And we also wanted to make the text a lot smaller. And I apologize, I lost the rest of it, I believe. But the image that we ended up getting, oh, nope, there it is. So it did give us this one. And there's where I believe I picked the right frame. Yeah, that would be tough to paint. I mean, it'd be cool. You could paint it like that, but it would be pretty, it would be tough. That would be a tough one to start with. I didn't really care for that frame all that much. That's a cool frame. People like the odd frames, not square. That one's got some nice distinct lines. Looks like it's going to be fairly easy to paint. Raised letters. The font's really big. I wanted the turtle a little bit bigger, so I did tell it to make the turtle bigger and make the font smaller. And let's see, I can't remember if we get, I think this is the last image, and then it'll go right to the image we ended up with. But basically, that's all I did is I asked it to make the turtle bigger and the font smaller. And add some more coral and things at the bottom. It's really simple. And this is the final image it gave us. So at this point, you can just take this image if you want to, and you can run over to Easy Create if you have a Vectric subscription. I don't even think you have to have a Vectric subscription, but you have to create a login. And I'll be happy to make a tutorial of that, but there's 8,000 of them out there on the internet for that. You just basically drop it in as an upload, and off you go. And it'll give you a nice 3D image, and you can make some changes to that. You can flatten it, you can change the detail. I normally raise the detail about 3%, so from 25 to 28, and sometimes I'll flatten it a little bit, sometimes I won't. There's another thing you can do if you don't like the image or it's not framed correctly in Easy Create. You can either go back and increase the canvas size. So say your margins on the outside are too small and it's the 3D image is cutting your frame off. go in and just make the canvas larger, and then upload it again, and it will fix it. You can also tell AI or tell ChatGPT to create a 3D depth map for you, and it'll create a nice black and white 3D depth map that you can take a right to easy create without even enhancing it, so it saves 1 credit. But normally, to do an image, it's 1 credit, and to enhance it, and 4 credits to make it, so it's about 50 cents to create a 3D image. So that's the end of this segment. The next segment will be, we're going to go ahead and just bring it right into Vectric.